You guys stopped billing it. What made you say yes, a multi-film deal?
I'm so excited to be part of Regal again. Ang tagal ko na sa Regal. I've done many films with them and finally I'm here, I'm back. And it's my first Shake, Rattle and Roll. So alam naman natin, di
Yung
ba?
ate mo kasi yung ano.
Oh, ate ko naging part na, yung dad ko naging part na ng Shake, Rattle and Roll. And finally ako naman this year. And sobra excited ako.
What's Chard gonna offer?
Something new. Something good, hopefully. And it's also a fresh team up with Ivana and kasama rin yung younger stars. So,
When you say team up, you'll be in a segment. Kasi di ba ang Shake Rattle is usually divided into 3 storylines. With you guys, magkasama kayo?
Yes.
What will it be?
What will it,
Yung storyline nyo ni Chard?
ano po siya?
Hindi pa yata pwede sabihin.
Ay, hindi ba pwede sabihin? So,
Oo.
tambalan pala.
Ano lang siya, basta it's very exciting. Horror, alam niyo na.
Oo.
And hindi lang siya horror na usual. It's really with a twist. Ang ganda.
Anong first, kumbaga, parang reaction mo na malaman makakasama mo si Richard Gutierrez?
Siyempre, kinabahan ako kasi pinapanood talaga kita nung...
Malawin.
Yes!
Kasi, kabataan
naman
ko
kayo.
yun.
Meron ba ka Captain Barbell, di ba?
Kabataan ko rin yun.
Ibay at lakas. May memories ko yun,
Diba?
diba?
So, of course, I'm very excited and grateful, syempre. At kinakabahan ako kasi, syempre, dati pinapanood ko, tapos ngayon kasama ko na. But, of course, I'm very excited and grateful to read them.
And Chard, ikaw, with Ivana, we know how much she is in social media, how big she is in social media. Great also acting pieces with, of course, ABS.
Yes, I'm excited to work with her. Alam naman natin that, she's also a phenomenal star, especially
Yes!
sa social
Multimedia.
media, di ba? So, I'm excited to work with her. I'm excited for this project more than anything.
May mga non-negotiables ka ba rito? Because we know, parang laging pinahihirapan mo sarili mo pagdating sa mga project. Di ba yung Incognito, medyo pa-mission impossible ang atake natin doon. Dito ba, may mga sinabi ko ba kay Direk Shugo na hindi, kailangan may ganun tayo?
Well, nung nabasa ko yung script, maganda na kagad yung script. I mean, nung binasa ko yung script, sabi ko, game agad. And kasama ko nga si Direk Ian, so na-plan out na rin namin yung ibang mga gagawin namin dito. And exciting siya, bago.
Wow. Well, so wala kayong Pasko.
Birthday ko po yan.
Oh my gosh, oo
Ito
nga.
na yung celebration ko.
Ito na yung celebration.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
Buti you said, you opened up your sked. I know how busy it is. You had backlogs after Batang Quiapo, right?
Yes, and I'm also doing a new show. So, sabay-sabay.
Oh,
Pero
yes.
exciting. Yes. And of course, back to work na talaga ako kasi ang tagal ng pahinga ko. And I really took the break. I enjoyed it. And now I have to work.
Wow.
Yes.
What is it for? Ano yung may pwede ka na rin ba i-share dun sa bagong show nyo sa ABS?
Kasama ko si Joshua Garcia. And it's coming soon.
Drama, binabantayan ka na
Drama
parang
ba?
bawal i-share.
Drama. Basta it's lahat. May action, may drama, may romance. It's an all-in-one.
So, pa-action star ka din.
I
Kasi
just-
diba, parang ganun na rin si Bubbles eh.
Yes.
I love it. And Chard, ang dami nagtatanong, when ba yung season 2?
Abangan nila. For now, shake, rattle, and roll muna.
Oh, hindi ba pwede? Pero confirmed yun. Ish.
Let's see.
Sana, you know why? Kasi sobrang dami pa nagre-rewatch ng Incognito up until now. And grabe lang pala the friendship that you guys formed.
Yes, we're very thankful syempre sa lahat ng mga sumubaybay sa Incognito. Until now, may mga nagsasabi nga na pinapanood nila or nire-rewatch nila Incognito sa Netflix. So we're always thankful. And yes, we had a great team and parang naging pamilya kami doon sa Incognito.
Kamusta kayo ni Daniel? Kasi siya daw nung nagpagpag ng karakter nagpakalbo. Ikaw ba anong ginawa
Sabay kami
mo?
nagpakalbo.
Oo!
Oo.
Totoo ba?
Sabay kami nagpakalbo.
As in, sa kayo nag-shave?
Hindi, I mean same time.
Oh,
but
yeah.
not like
So
right next to
that
each
was
other.
also your
Yeah,
process?
that's my process.
Oh my gosh. Ay, how was London? Kasi you just came from London.
Yeah, so I took a break and went to London and watched the Oasis concert. And then now I'm back.
But parang fans day yung atake nung London mo. Ang dami mong fans. I saw the post. Akala ko fans day.
Hindi, may binisita rin ako dun mga tita.
Oh, okay. And then of course the fans, flock together. But well, with you guys, syempre, just going back to Shake Rattle, Sinubaybayan nyo ba? Ikaw, syempre, of course, you had your ate, I mean, your family be part of it. But ikaw, Ivana, nasubaybayan mo ba ito nung kabataan mo rin?
Yes, I'm a fan of horror movies. And ito talaga pinapanood ko kasi aside from it being made locally by the Filipinos, syempre, it's super nice kasi iba-ibang stories. Hindi ka masasawa. Tapos may 3 different episodes,
Oo.
right, per movie. So, ang ganda.
Medyo may natatandaan ka pa ba? Ano
Of
favorite
course,
mo?
Miss Manilyn.
Ayun! Iconic. Ayun, ikaw naman, Char.
Na shake,
Oo.
yung kay Miss Mandelin din, of course.
Actually,
Oo. Tsaka yung isa pa yung
Chana.
Chanak, classic
Oo,
yun.
grabe.
Classic yun. Daming classic na shake eh. Pati yung sa ate ko, natakot nga rin ako din.
Aparador, tama ba?
Oo.
Wait lang, so right now, just to wrap this up, you know, it's a different genre, it's a different audience, it's a different kind of movie going. Yun na, na talagang atake. Pero how are you? Kumbaga, paano rin nag-evolve yung acting nyo or kung paano rin nag-evolve yung on how you'll tackle the film this time around to make sure that everyone will be tuning in?
Of course, kailangan mag-workshop. We're doing workshops and we also have yung mga stunt trainings and all. And ayun.
Call a friend daw.
Hindi, that's why we're here today also kasi magkakaroon kami ng script reading and story conference and then, kung may mga questions kami, pwede namin tanungin si Direk, and I think this is a good opportunity also para makilala ang isa't isa. And we will be working a lot of hours together, so I think it's nice to see everyone here.
So
today.
this is day 1 with you two?
Yeah, day one.
Day 1? Ay, nabuta. Bagano kami ng day 20. Kumbaga D-Day with you, with Ivana and Char. Nakakatuwa. And congratulations, guys. So this is gonna be big.
Thank you.